Very badly love treated me for a time, so that I thought I'd stray from her. Nor did I ever think I'd have desire to love, nor for beauty, nor for any riches. Now she's taken me, put me in such madness so badly that I'll hardly escape. If mercy doesn't help me, for her I'll die. And by my faith, if I couldn't die, the pain is heavy. Sooner I'd want to sit down. I'm comforted, for I love such a beautiful thing. In all the world I don't believe I'd find her equal, and it pleases me more to endure pain for her than from any other to have all my desire. For God made me to do her command, and I give myself to it, nor do I ever want to part from honoring her freely and serving. And I want to have more of humility than the lion had when it came out of the pit. With hands joined, neck bound, and heart captured, I cry to you for mercy, good pleasing lady. As you are beautiful and charming, have mercy on me, whom you've conquered. And I pray to God, from whom all good comes, that He put in your heart some pity, that you keep me in your friendship as I love you with good heart loyally. Nor do I ever want to change my intention. Cobblers go straight to my beautiful desire,
and tell her that for her I go languishing. For in my heart she's put such a sweet thought. Her beautiful eyes, her pleasing appearance, it's worse than death when I go remembering.